now children will learn about plane figures. Okay, in the previous class I had taught you about 3D figures like cube, cuboid. Okay, 3D figures that you can see, touch and also see all sides. Okay, now in plane figures are 2D shapes. 2D shapes means it has only length and breadth. Okay, so 2D plane figures means are 2D shapes. Okay, I'll give all the definition. I'll send you in the WhatsApp group so that you can neatly note down in your copy. Now understand only. What is a square? Plane figures are square, rectangle, triangle, circle and diamond. So what is a square? You already know this in class 2 also. Now this, see the figure, this is called a square. A square has 4 sides. Okay, see 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. AB, BC, CD and DA. Here it is given ABCD. So sides name are AB, BC, CD and DA. And all sides are equal. That means the length of AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA. Okay. Now next is rectangle. See, this is a rectangle. A rectangle has also 4 sides. See, this one side, 2, 3, 4. And it has also 4 vertices. Yes children, vertices means this corner where 2 line segments join. Okay, they form a vertex. And in plural we call vertices. So it has also 4 vertices. Vertices means corners. 4 sides and 4 vertices. And what is the difference? The opposite sides are equal or rectangle. Okay, in rectangle the opposite sides are equal. That means this side is equal to this side and this side is equal to this side. But in square all sides are equal. Okay, this is the difference between square and rectangle. Same as cube and cuboid. Okay. Next see triangle. See ABC is a triangle here. A triangle has how many sides you can see here? Yes, count and tell. 3 sides. 1, 2, 3 sides. This is one side, another side, another side. All the sides are formed by line segments. And it has 3 sides and 3 vertices also. 3 corners. 1, 2, 3. A, B, C. 3 corners are there. 3 vertex. Next is circle. A circle is a closed plane figure. It is a closed plane figure round in shape. And here you see O. O is a point inside the circle. This is O. So that the distance of any point on the circle, okay, any point from on the circle from O is equal. That means from BO is equal to CO is equal to DO is equal to AO. And all this, the distance OA, OB, OC, OD, these are all equal and these are called radius of the circle. Okay, radius means from center to the circle. The distance from center to the circle is called radius. Okay, and these are all equal. Wherever you draw, suppose I'll draw a line here. Okay, I'll give the name E. So this will also be equal to OA. OA is equal to OE. And these are called radius. What is this? Radius. All radius are equal. So O is called the center of the circle and OA, OB, OC, OD, these are the radius. And most important thing here, a circle has no side and no corner. Okay, it has no side and no corner. It is very important. It usually comes in exam also. So remember. Next is the diamond. You see the shape of diamond here. Diamond has how many sides? 4 sides and 4 corners. Okay, or 4 vertices. Next we'll move to the book exercise. See 11.6. Observe the figure given below carefully and answer the following questions. LMN. What is this figure? Yes, you can see it is a triangle. Okay, and this one is ABCD is rectangle, and here the C figure is called square, and this one is diamond. So name the figure. First question number 1, name the figure. What is the name? Write here triangle, triangle, triangle. Here rectangle, and C1 is square, and D1 is diamond. Write the number of sides. How many sides are there in A? In triangle, 3 sides, and rectangle, 4 sides, square, 4 sides, diamond, 4 sides. How many vertices are there? See, vertex 1, 2, 3. Vertex means corner. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That means in all square, rectangle and diamond, vertices are 4, but in triangle the vertices are 3. Okay. Now measure the length of MN, AB, BC, CD and AD. See, in figure A, you have to measure LM, this one, and B figure you have to measure AB and BC, and in C figure, in square, you have to measure CD. All sides are equal here. And here in diamond, you have to measure AD, this one. Okay, you measure and write, because now you know how to measure. One, I am showing you how to measure. See, already I have shown you LM. See, always put the 0 mark at one point here, corner, vertex, and see the next. It is 3.1 centimeter. So here we will write MN 3.1 centimeter. Okay, in this way you complete. AB and BC, measure the length of this side, AB and BC, then write here. And here CD, and in D figure AD. Okay, take correct measurement and do practice. Now fill in the blanks. A triangle has dash sides and dash vertices. 3 sides, 3 vertices. Rectangle has 4 sides and 4 vertices. Square has 4 sides and 4 vertices. Diamond has also 4 sides and 4 vertices. A circle has no sides and no vertices. All the sides of a dash are equal. Square, SQUARE. The opposite sides of a dash are equal. Rectangle. Okay. So in this way you complete the book exercise. I'll give you the definition of all the plane figure, that you will write in notebook also.